And we're rolling!
Oh, here we go again.
In this video we are going to answer some of you guys' questions because we have asked you to send us questions and I've got them all on my phone. So let's call it a Q&A. Welcome to our first ever Q&A!
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Wow!
Setting, of course.
Question time! Say it to you guys as well.
Question time!
Vi skal aldri gjøre det der igjen.
I never said yes.
I
was the
never
one
said yes.
asking the question, so.
I haven't really thought about it, but I would say my biggest concern would be the length of the trip. Because we started out saying it would be 1 year, and then probably 2 months into the planning it was suddenly 2 years. And now it's 3 years, but that was probably my main concern at the beginning.
In the beginning.
I actually had one more concern before starting, and that was that I wouldn't have enough money to join the entire trip, because I was the only one not working 100%.
The poor one.
I was the poor one, for sure.
Peasant. Get my name, peasant!
Well, for me, I think. Jesus Christ, I don't know.
You know the answer?
Yeah.
I know as well. I know as well. Okay, in 3, 1, 2, 3. His
Your
mom.
Well, they're not wrong. Hi, Mom. Love you. That's not my biggest concern, though. Well, my biggest concern is probably that we since we don't know too much about this, that we're just gonna do things halfway, somewhere along the line, and then someone's gonna get hurt. Yeah, I'm more concerned about the 4 of us.
The safety?
Yeah, the safety, pretty much.
Yep. Great.
For sure.
Said Philip. I think my biggest concern also involves safety, and I'm really afraid to feel afraid. I'm really not looking forward to being scared.
Downward spiral where it's I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared of getting scared. I'm getting scared of getting scared. Getting scared. Fuck.
No, but this huge ocean with all the big sharks and spooky whales and all of that stuff. But also another thing that was hard for me was my FOMO, fear of missing out on things at home. But it's insane to say. It's insane to say because people are missing out on what we do, but I feel like I'm missing out on what happens at home, which is insane to think. But that was something I struggled with in the beginning.
I think the FOMO would be bigger if you didn't join.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. If I was sitting at home and you guys were with some other dude who took my place, I would 100% hate my life. Good thing that didn't happen.
I have the perfect solution for this. I've gotten seasick 3 times, really bad. My tip for everyone who gets seasick is just use 1 or 2 of your fingers,
Right, like this?
jam them down your throat, and just keep them there until you just get it out. Yeah.
Let's see a demonstration, Philip.
You want me to puke right here?
Let me. As of now, we haven't gotten really ill. But if we do, what do?
We have seasickness pills.
We have
Yeah.
Mr. Medical.
It's actually Dr. Phil.
It's Dr. Phil. Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, just eat, puke if you have to. That works for me. The second I got finished puking, I was good, pretty much.
And also, hopefully, when you get used to being on a boat, in the long run, you're gonna get rid of the seasickness. It's what we've heard.
That's why we're not taking any pills or anything like that to prevent the seasickness.
Yep.
You just gotta get over the knick.
The knife. Of course, always.
There's only one right answer here.
That is yes.
Yes.
You can
No,
never not miss your mom.
But I think
Sure,
that we're on the way up still.
Yeah.
yeah.
We
Because we
haven't-
have just been selling for 1 month.
Yeah.
And
Today it's 1 month.
Yeah.
When we film this,
Of
1
August.
month since we started. Applause.
A short applause. Very good.
Yay!
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will. We have already had one friend on board.
Ketil?
Ketil. Ketil. He's been on
This
board.
guy?
This guy.
This guy.
This guy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will have some friends and family come over when we can. And also when we get to a place and meet some cool backpackers who can spend the week on board, we'll let them join and have a good time.
So if you're cool and you're backpacker, find us.
Yeah, you find us.
Yeah. how long?
50 foot.
No,
It's 15 meters. Well, it's 14.99
yeah,
meters.
correct.
14.99
important.
meters.
Yes.
We've gotten some questions about boat tour and what kind of boat we have and where we're going and our route. All of those things you can check out in a later YouTube video, and also we're gonna put our route on the Instagram very soon. So just follow us and stay tuned because we're gonna put those out there. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing because that helps us a lot.
Look at this cute button.
For real.
And if
Don't
you
you just
have,
want to press it?
look, if you have friends or family that you think might like these 4 guys, or might like sailing, or might like having a good time, tell them about the channel.
the channel.
Yeah, tell them about the channel. They might
Tell
like
them
it.
to press the bell.
Yeah, press the bell and press the thing that they
like.
and leave a comment. Who do you think is most handsome?
Comment the nicest place you've ever been, and if it's possible to sail there, so maybe we can go there and show the rest of you guys.
Give us some tips.
Give us some tips.
Comment down below.
Do it.
Okay, so when you're entering country, it's the same procedure
As last year, Miss Sophie.
Yeah, as you fly into the country. So you have to go through the customs, but it depends which country you're in. When we're getting like to the Caribbean, then we have to go take our passports to the customs because there's a customs office in every big harbor, and then they have to stamp it and check all the papers of the registration of the boat and tax and blah blah blah. So there is a little job to check into the country,
And it's your job.
and it's my job.
So no, we cannot just sail into every country. We have to check in and make our
presence known.
presence known.
To everyone.
I have arrived.
We are present.
Well, you can sail pretty fast.
Who has the record?
I think it was
Yeah.
either one of us.
I was standing at the helm.
Okay.
I spotted an 11.6 knots.
It was surfing, yeah. And
Not
it was
just
for
the wind.
probably 1 or 2 seconds.
And then it went back to 9 or something. So yeah.
But 9 is also fast.
Nine is very fast.
Like we're cruising fast in like 8 knots. That's like fast cruising for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But right now we're
pretty
in
decent.
4.7. That's fair. It's not that bad.
4.1.
It's not that bad.
We've got a lot of questions about our budgeting, and budgeting on this trip is a big area. So we are not able to talk about all of it in just one video. So if you want to see another video about it, just comment below and we'll make it happen later on.
Yeah.
We've been working and saving for the last 4 years probably towards this trip without actually thinking about earning any money on the roads. But we're also hoping to earn some money throughout the trip.
So we have a few different places that we're hoping to earn money from. First of all is sponsorships. We have, for example, Bula, our beloved clothing brand,
baby.
Bula, which have been so kind and been our first big sponsor, which we're really happy for. And we're also trying to gain a few more sponsors throughout the trip. So that's one income. Another income is YouTube. If we get big enough, we can start earning money from YouTube, and that's why we're so keen to get more subscribers so that we can stay afloat for longer time. And the third one is something called Patreon. We'll talk about that more later, but Patreon in short is you guys being able to support us as creators so that we can stay afloat as long as possible. If you like what you're seeing and if you like our channel, stay tuned because we're going to get back to the Patreon thing very soon.
If you like the one video we have already posted, stay tuned.
There will be more.
They're giving me so much shit for being late, so I'm trying to keep up, but it's a lot of work, guys, so please subscribe because I need it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video where this happens. Whoa! Explosions!
And we're gonna make some food now. I'm so goddamn hungry, so get in me belly!